when I am tight, it's like up here, left trap, closer to the neck though. Left knee will start to ache, kind of above the knee, underneath, and then just the left side of the hip. Heard that one.
There we go. There we go. A little pressure here. Good, nice one. Excellent. Wow, good stuff. There we go. Took that like a champ.
Oh yeah.
Good. How's everything feeling?
Feels great. And then the decompression kind of like, I felt the cracks go down, but blood went straight to the top of the head. There's a little pressure up there.